Good morning, the students of class 4 Modern International School, Hisua. Dear students, I Om Prakash Sharma is standing before you to teach the story chapter 7, the Crow and the Peacock. Dear student, there is a story here. The tiger was getting married. This is the story of long ago. And that time the crow was white. The color of crow was white, just like a snow. And the color of peacock was yellow. Both were invited to join the wedding party of the tiger. So the peacock said to the crow, "We should make ourselves colorful for such an occasion so that they look very beautiful." And the peacock shared his idea to crow. The crow agreed. "Yes, we must look very beautiful," said the peacock with a smile. "But how?" So the crow said, "I know how to do it," because the crow was an artist. It is said that in earlier times crow was also an artist, and he had some kinds of paint of different colors, just like the colors of rainbow. So they can use the colors to look as beautiful as they like. The peacock said to the At first the peacock said to the crow, "Please use your colors to make me beautiful, and I shall work on you to make you also equally colorful." The idea was given by the peacock to a crow. The crow was agreed. "Okay, I shall do according to your wish." And at once he started, that means crow started painting the peacock. The crow was a great artist. According to this story, it was considered, and he painted the peacock colorful designs all over peacock's feathers. He made the peacock's tail more beautiful. He painted it in rainbow colors because there are 7 colors in rainbow. So, dear students, if you see the feathers of peacock, it looks very beautiful because it was painted by the artist crow. When the work of painting work of peacock was finished, the peacock looked at himself in a pool of water, swimming water. When he saw their face, their bodies, shape, their decoration, he exclaimed. He thought means peacock thought in his mind, "My tail looks like it's covered with precious gems." That means costly gems. Gems means jewelry, used in jewelry. So the peacock felt very proud, and in starting great in starting to dance and great joy, and he forget what is my duty after that, said the crow. To see the condition of peacock, "Oh, my dear friend peacock, it is time for you to paint my feathers." But, dear student, think carefully here. But the peacock didn't listen any talk because he had great proud of beautifulness of his feathers. So he feeling very proud, and he didn't want the crow's feather may be beautiful. He also wanted no any other word, maybe beautiful just like me. So he thought of a plan for the other birds, for the crow, and said, "O crow, we are in danger." Only, really the peacock was not in danger, not in a stake, but only any pretending, only any show the natak drama. Didn't you hear the eagles cry? Didn't you eagles the hear cry? You are listening the eagles cry, and I am very afraid to hear the sound of eagles. If he comes here, and he will attack us and kill us. So I am in hurry. So I am in soon. We must run away from here. This was the only pretending of peacock, and he saw false, so false, false talking to the crow. The peacock pretended to be in a hurry, and he started running up and down with great joy and his hurry. He knocked all over the cans of paint. As a result, the paint of all cans spilled into the pool of water. All the paints were destroyed, all the paints washed, and the pool of water. Said the crow, I didn't any sound. Where is eagles? I didn't any sound of eagle. Only the peacock was pretending. Only the peacock was showing the drama, showing the natak of eagle. Then there is no danger, said the peacock. And the peacock called the crow, come, and I will paint you. I will paint you because this was the agreement between two birds. You will decorate me, and I shall decorate you. But all the paint has been spilled. So the crow said to the peacock, pointed out, what shall we do now? How shall we remove the problem? Then the peacock said, one can is left. One can is left. That means one part of paint is left, said the peacock to the crow. So come here, and I shall paint you with it. The foolish crow believed in the talk of and the sound of peacock and the time for the wedding. The peacock disturbed to make haste, otherwise time will be lapsed. When the peacock had finished, dear student, when the peacock had finished, the crow went to look at himself and swimming pool and the pool of water. As soon as it is said that as soon as the crow saw his face and water, he saw the reflected face, reflection of his feathers in water. The feather was only in black. So he began to cry. He was choked up with anger. He was in much anger. He was in very anger, and he could hardly say a word. In angry mood, he started to talk, caw, 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 at the proud peacock. Dear students, even today, the sound of the crow is caw, caw, and it is said that ever since crow had been black and their cries, their sound have been harsh. Although earlier his sounds were soft melody, but on that day, since that day, that his sound will become harsh, and peacocks have beautiful. Their feathers have been in rainbow colors. Dear students, consider if both were friends. The peacock and the crow were friends. How did the peacock cheated the crow? So I would like to tell you we should believe the talking of friends and considered with testing. Thanks.